Today, after a long time, I did something different. That is visiting temple. My friend, due to cold weather, not only me but my villager also they couldn't visit temple, and they were not trying also to go at any temple because of the cold weather. In cold weather, it's very hard to survive, because we get very bone chilling cold in our area. Our weather gets very cold in December or January month. So we were experiencing the same kind of weather 1 month approximately. We couldn't see sun, and that is why I kept doing same kind of thing 1 month. So after that, when we started seeing the sun, then we started being more creative, and it happens naturally. So I found that I should do something different. Then I thought to visit temple first of all. So today it's a Sankranti festival. So happy Sankranti to all of you. I hope you people are celebrating this festival grand way. Let me share how we celebrate Sankranti festival. So my friend, we don't celebrate it very grand way. My all villager, what we do usually, we offer rice and dal and sesame seeds to the god, and afterward we worship. And in the end of the day or maybe morning time, we prepare cereal, khichdi. That's how we celebrate. We don't celebrate very grand way, but I have watched many video in some part of India. People they celebrate it very grand way. Even I have watched some video. People they fly the kites and all, but in my village rarely I see this kind of activity. People they don't play this kind of game. Some children only, but this year I haven't seen anyone in my village. So yeah, let me carry whatever I was sharing you people before. That yeah, I was feeling my life was stuck, and I used to do the same kind of things. That is why I started feeling monotonous, and I decided to visit temple. And there is one interesting thing I did. That is first time in my life after worshipping I stayed there. Otherwise, I don't know about other people, but I used to be in hurry. After worshipping, I used to come at my home in hurry. But first time, there was one urge to just stay at the temple. I didn't have hurriness in my mind that I should go my home and I should do that work, this work. No, nothing was like that. I felt I should sit here and feel the good vibration or good energy. So it happens, right? When we visit any temple or when we do any work, if in our mind we are carrying other kinds of thoughts that I have to do this work, that work, we don't be present there 100%, right? But I think if we want to do something good way, then we need to be present there, right? Or we need to bring our presence in that particular work, whatever we are doing. So first time in my life I have experienced today, and I felt so good. I felt thrilled, you know. So in your case also, if you want to enjoy your work, then bring your presence in that work. Let's suppose you have some office related work. At that time you are thinking about your family, and when you have to spend time with your family, you are thinking about your office work. Other thing, when we have to learn this language or when we practice this language, we think about our job, our career, other things. And when we have to think about our career and job, at the time we think about this language. And that is why we are facing a lot of problem. So there is one solution. It's not the 100% solution. I mean, it can make your way little easier. That focus on whatever you do. Okay, be present in your particular work, whatever you are doing in the present time. Don't bring your thought whatever you did or whatever you are going to do. But it usually happen, we are very much bothered about our past, about our future, right? We don't want to be in the present because being in the present is very difficult, right? So what happened, same thing happens, when we try to learn English language, and when we do the same kind of things, we feel that I need to do something different. And we should definitely, creativity is needed in our life. It makes our life beautiful, when we do some creativity, some new thing, so we feel good. Here, if I talk about my videos, I'm also thinking to do something different, because it's been so long that I have been making the same kind of video. But yeah, I will try, because it's not so easy to do something different, right? As a YouTuber, I guess, when you are alone and no one is with you, I mean, no one is helping you, or you have to manage your all work, in that case, bringing some changes are very difficult. But I think the way I'm thinking, it's not that much difficult. I will definitely try to do something different, because many people, they told me to bring some changes on my channel, and I'll definitely do. I'm just thinking, I'm pondering on that. Let's see what is going to come out. So yeah, this is the thing. Other thing, I told you that when we do the same kind of things, it seems we are stuck. So for that, try to bring new ways to learn English language. If you have been reading books, or if you have been talking to the same kind of people, try to change your genre, or try to change your you know community, and then bring challenges in your life. Not challenges, if you do something different, obviously you are going to face challenges, right? So whatever you are doing, if you feel that you have been doing for a long time, and you are not feeling good, you are feeling stuck, you are unhappy, then my friend, this is high time we need to do something different. Not only you, but I should also try. And we should not do something big. Doing different doesn't mean we have to do something big in our life. No, small thing we can also do. The way I did, right? I went after a long time, I mean after 1 month, to visit temple. So I'm feeling different. So this is the thing. If you want to feel happy or enjoy your journey, do something different. Don't do the same kind of thing. But yeah, don't say that I have been practicing for a long time, so I'm going to stop and do something different. No, as a learner, you have to continue. There are something we need to continue. For 1 day or 2 days, you can break your consistency and try something different. But once again, you should come on the track and practice, or else you will face the consequences. The thing is that they may not feel that where you are lagging, but if you are practicing and you are dropping your practice for 1 month or for 2 months, you can easily understand that what is happening with you, whether you are able to explain the things good way or not. So that is why we should be consistent. It's needed here for learning English language. But if you have been doing the same kind of thing, then try to do something different. I'm not saying do big thing. If you have been doing the same kind of job, then leave that one or quit that job and do something different. Nothing is like that. You just have to bring something different. In my case also, if I want to bring something different, it doesn't mean that I will stop making videos. I will try to do something different on my channel, right? So this is the thing. I hope my video is little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.